Turn around, turn around. Oh my gosh. There she goes, dude.
That hurts your bone when you're on it for a very long time, though.
Oh yeah?
You try standing up on it, man. That's hard.
Yeah?
Instead of going all the way, you have to go like tiny ball. You got it. Do it while standing up.
Stand up.
That's hard, though.
All right.
No, I'm kidding. You know, that was hard for me. I've been writing this all day.
Wait, let me try.
What?
Right now. Oh damn! Oh!
Damn, she was cruising.
She can ride. Look at her. She's smashing. Oh, so ain't
Do a skid, do a skid.
I still need that for school, so please don't. I'm gonna take that to school.
Thank you.